Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of chamber. A large room used for formal or public events. For example, a council chamber. The second definition of chamber. A private room, especially a bedroom. For example, he had his meals brought to his chamber. American pronunciation. Chamber. Chamber. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Chamber. Say. Chamber. Chamber means large room. Chamber. Chamber. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The barrier was erected to seal the main chamber from the public gallery. Now, repeat after me. The barrier was erected to seal the main chamber from the public gallery. The second practice. This means providing lifts, ramps and sufficient access into council rooms and chambers. Now, repeat after me. This means providing lifts, ramps and sufficient access into council rooms and chambers.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.